What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Raunchy Ranch coming at you again today with a bunch of freaking pancakes. So, I've spent about, I'd say, an hour making pancakes, and we have about, what do you say, 80 to 100 maybe? We have a lot of pancakes. So, yeah, let's bring them in, guys. As you can see, we have a lot of pancakes everywhere, all over me, and we're gonna have some fun with them. Be right back. So today, for our first challenge, I have with me Alex Monroe, and we got Big Homie right here. And our first challenge is gonna be pancake trivia. So we'll see what we got.
What was the largest pancake ever made?
Me. Like diameter, or what are we talking about?
31 inches.
60 feet. That's actually way too big.
20 feet.
Well, Jake was the closest.
Holy, nice.
49 feet in diameter.
Hey, there we go.
Right. Jake's got one. All right. What is the most expensive pancake?
$500.
Price? $1,000. $300.
It was 200.
Next question.
What was the first pancake called?
Cake slab.
A shift. We got breakfast bread.
It was called Another Sweet.
Another sweet? Like, how are we even gonna get that?
Dude, that's me.
No.
All right, that's no one.
That was me.
Is there another question?
They wrote down 3.
All right. So I won that challenge. All right.
I got one too.
No. All right. I won that challenge, so we're gonna move on to the next one here, and we're doing Javelin pancakes. We're gonna see how long we can throw the pancakes. All right. I'm winning this because, like, track star right here. Look at this. Track star. I don't do track, but all right, guys, line up with me. And I guess I'll start. Okay. Not bad. All right, I think we'll check the last bit, whatever bit made it furthest. Oh, he's got good form. Wow. Nah, that turned out to be a big old dud. Let's see what's the furthest. Which one's looking to be the furthest? Mine. Track star added again. No way. Alright. Hummin got the dub there. So for our third mini game / challenge, whatever you want to call it, we're going to be doing the chubby bunny challenge with our pancakes. So I'm thinking we're gonna chow. Ready?
No. One of you goes. Okay, yeah, actually, all 3 of you go.
We're going all at
Say
once.
that
You gotta count. Ready?
Oh.
And you gotta count as you go along. 3, 2, 1, go. 1.
No, you lost. You're out, kid.
Oh, you touched my uvula. I almost threw up. In there. How many is that?
7.
We got hella bees coming at us. Look at him. Look at his mouth. Look at that. That is bad. Let's get a zoom in. Look at that. That thing is jam packed. I know how it feels. 9? 9. All right, let's get 10.
You
You
get
gotta
10.
get 10.
You can hit 10.
Here, this one's a good one. This is 10 right here. Come on, you just gotta jam. Man, the fun you can have with pancakes. What was that? What'd you say? Alright. Oh, he said 1 second. We might have a winner. He's got 10. Yeah. Hey, finish it. Oh. Alright. We'll call it a tie. You guys did good. Alright. It's a tie. So our standings now are Humming, 2 points. Me, 1 point. Alex, 1 point.
I won.
So since me and Alex got 1 point, we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors for which punishment we get. And you will see soon. Budget cut. Alright, rock, paper, scissors. The loser gets, you know what the loser gets.
Okay.
We're gonna go rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Alright, guys, we got this. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Alright. So Alex, get on the ground. Lay down. Have a good time. And how long are we gonna do this? About 30 seconds countdown? Sure. Alright. That sounds good. These actually are pretty heavy. They're big ones.
Okay. Listen.
Oh, that actually hurts.
Oh my gosh. I'm so glad I lost.
Are you though?
You gotta take your punishment. Alright, couple more. We each get 2 more. 2 more and then he's done.
More handfuls.
1, 2. Alright. Hey, way to be a good sport. We got Alex Monroe here. Subscribe to him at Try My Woozy, right? Subscribe to Alex at Try My Woozy. Subscribe to Hummin here at Lil Woozy. I don't know if they have their channels out yet, but soon. It's gonna be good content. So I'm gonna get mine. So as my punishment, we went and got some dog food. Thank you. And we decided to mix them with the pancakes, make some pretty good pancakes. And this is my punishment. I'm gonna eat these, I'm gonna make a sandwich like that. And there's a lot of dog food in it, alright? So just smelling this stuff, it is like rancid. It's bad. This dog food I think is expired. We've just had it in our cabinets for like years because Kirby won't eat it. So I'm gonna try to eat it, so I doubt I will be able to. Alright, here we go. Oh. Look at in there. Oh my gosh. They're not even finished. Oh. Oh. I can't. Oh my. Honestly, it's like I'm gonna brush my teeth, drink some water, get this taste out of my mouth. But hope you enjoyed the video today. make sure to subscribe to them, I guess. And like the video, subscribe. So this has been it. Peace out, guys.